animation. So let me thanks for those that joining our free online lesson from our Zoom. Okay, thanks Mr. Ali, Adli, Miss Wani, Max. Hi Max. Okay, and few more that join from our Zoom live. And for those that join our Facebook live, so don't forget to register first from our website, and then you will get the email notification to join our free online lesson from Zoom meeting. Okay, so is there anyone? Okay, let me go through on our Acadsystems Facebook website first. So this will be Acadsystems landing page. All right. For those that want to open, want to go to our website, you can go to any browser, go to this address bar, type in acadsystems.com. So acadsystems.com. So this link will bring you directly to this main page. Okay, so Acadsystems is one of Autodesk Gold Partner. We provide, we sell product from Autodesk, including AutoCAD, also including collection from Autodesk. Okay, Acadsystems also one of a premium training center that we currently offer online training. For those that interested want to join our online training, you can put your inquiry over our website. So contact us and you can directly call our office. Right, so for today, I want to share about plant design animation topics. So in plant design, if you see on this image that I posted previously, so this image include three software. The first one is Navisworks Manage, 3ds Max plus 3ds Max Interactive, and also A with P3D means AutoCAD Plant 3D. So three types of software that we will cover for today. So I strongly believe most of you are really interested with this topic. So this will be good opportunity for you, for everyone, to start with this, to discover this type of knowledge. Okay, let me launch one poll. So here, so I want to study about what background are you from and which industry that you are from. So easy to me to relate with my topics for today. Civil engineer, manufacturer. Okay, so while waiting for the result, and I believe that all of you also know about Acadsystems. We have our Facebook and also we have our YouTube that we post our previous free online lesson. Okay, if you want to find us on Facebook, you can go to our website, go to the down bottom area. So this will be icon for Facebook and this will be our YouTube. So these two will directly bring you to our Facebook page and also YouTube channel. Okay, if you plan to check on the previous video, you can click on this video and this will be the previous topic that we already done. All right, so I direct go to our main objective for today, which include my slide first. Okay. All right, thanks Mr. Fidaus for joining our free online lesson. Okay, plant design animation. Okay, inside plant design animation, we will cover three types of software. The first software, which is include basically the normal method of creating plant using Plant 3D, Navisworks to create animation, 3ds Max also to create animation. Okay, this will be the idea of plant design. Okay, for those that already have their own design and you don't have the data for your design, so what we will suggest you can use Recap Pro to recapture back your plan and generate using the software and simplify using the software. So that will be the method of creating. So plant design animation means we want to make it a walkthrough video, or you want to make it the object moving around. So that will be two options of design animation using plant design. So this will be the idea before I go details on the topics. So plant design solution. So either product design manufacturing collection or either AEC collection. Both you will get same features including AutoCAD Plant 3D, Navisworks 3ds Max, and also Recap Pro. Okay, so for plant design that involve in detailed structure design, then you should choose AEC, including 3D site, road and highway, architecture, M&E, and also CNS modeling. So AEC is the best choice for your company. For those that involve also using plant design solution, you need to create a 3D design for plant, but your company more on manufacturing side. For example, including this one, equipment design, 2.5 until 5 axis part machining, CNC machine, sheet metal design, and analysis here, analysis and factory layout setup. So the most solution that good for you is product design manufacturing collection. So my suggestion for those that have more than one user, for example, you have 2 users, okay, to make it you can fully utilize Autodesk solution, you can go with AEC, one set of AEC and another set of PDMC. So this will be the idea that I want to share with you. Okay, don't if you focus on equipment design, don't go with AEC. So this will make you harder for creating modeling. Okay, so make sure this will be clear. You can screenshot or later you can go to our Facebook to check on our recorded session. All right, so far I will ask question and answer before I proceed with demonstration. Okay, if you have any question and answers, okay, so if you have any question, you can go to this chat. So I say hi in chat. Hi everyone. So in chat, I already mentioned hi. If you have any question, just just type in your question. Later, I will compile everything and answer your question directly. Right, so I go direct to our first software that we will cover, which is AutoCAD Plant 3D. Right, so I strongly believe Plant 3D, you are known well about Plant 3D, but if you don't know what is Plant 3D is about, Plant 3D is one of software to create a piping routing, to route a pipe, to create isometric and PNID drawing. So this will be the solution. So using Plant 3D, we cannot create a very good animation, but what we can do using Plant 3D, we can go to here, visualize tab. Okay, over here you will see one panel mentioned create camera. So create camera means you want to put your camera over here and this will be your point and point. Okay, how to view on this camera? You can click on this custom view. Okay, this custom view normally people will use if they want to change the view from top view, SW view, right view, and certain view more, or maybe a view that created. Okay, so custom view, to check your camera, you need to use this custom model view camera. So over here, you will see your camera view. So later also you can move your camera location. So Plant 3D only can be done, only can create this type of image rendering. Okay, you can use render using your PC performance, or you can also render in cloud. So means this one for those that purchase product design manufacturing collection or AEC collection, you will have one cloud services which that name Autodesk rendering. So you can render in cloud. So you just click on this render in cloud, then just wait. Later, you after the render is done, you will get email notification to download the image. Okay, render to size, render to in cloud. So this will be what we can use using Plant 3D. So Plant 3D, if I want to transfer this Plant 3D to my Navisworks or to my 3ds Max, so how is the best method? Okay, the best method, I can directly save this my modeling. Okay, So my suggestion to export first this modeling to here by clicking on the drawing, right click, export to AutoCAD first. Okay, I show you the difference between I create one here, over here, I create piping, and I use export to AutoCAD. Okay, later you will see the difference between these two. Okay, so I put in the name 3ds Max. Right. So for the next step is regarding the Navisworks Manage. Okay, how to import your AutoCAD Plan 3D drawing into Navisworks Manage. Okay, for all of you, if you plan to install all the software, you can install it. Okay, but for plan design solution, the most useful software which include this 4 type. Okay, this will be focused on VR, virtual reality. Okay, this will be focused on modeling. Right? So Navisworks is one of the solutions to create animation. The easiest way to create animation, you can use Navisworks. So to import or to add your drawing into Navisworks, the first step, just click on this append. Click on this type of append. Okay, and the file that you can upload is including Navisworks, DWF, IGS, step file. Okay, and if you want to check everything, you just can click on here, all file. So later you can see all your file drawing. Okay, or you can use this merge. Okay, this will be 2 methods to import your drawing to Navisworks. Okay, after you're done with Navisworks importing, so I will show you on how to use Navisworks to move around into this plan. So the first step, I go to the normal view of my drawing first. Okay, so what I need to do, I just need to click on this, close first everything. Okay, in certain case, you already set, for example, you want to zoom in, zoom out for this area. So, but it's quite difficult for those that not familiar yet using Navisworks. So what you can do, after you're done with get the view, you can save the viewport, and then later on, you just need to click here to change the viewport. Okay, click on the viewport tab, change the view over here. Okay, I start how to create a video animation using this wall. Okay, I already create this type of view. Okay, to make sure that you will see this person that can walk. Okay, so you need to click on here. So make sure you tick on this third person. Okay, collision, gravity, and crouch is depends either you want to use it or not. So gravity is good for those that have already created their plane, their base. Okay, so I click on gravity. So crouch means later I will show. So how to make your person here, the third person move. So you can just only use mouse, click your mouse and drag. Okay, to change the direction, you can just move your mouse. Okay, if you can see this area, you will see this person will try to, try to avoid everything. Okay, the purpose of this collision means if I try to touch with any other things, then they have some limit. I cannot go through into that specific area. Okay, so over here I can move, but if I try to move over here, cannot, because I click on this 3 button. Okay, this will be the first step on creating animation using Navisworks. Okay, Also, if you plan to make it your person here, your third person move up into the stair, so you can just go into your stair. Okay, for example, I just go to here. Okay, because I set the gravity for this person, so what will happen to this person? So I can move a little bit slower. Okay, and just go up. Okay, I can go up basically, but it's really hard to control if you don't familiar yet using this Navisworks. Okay, the third solution, which is include, we call it as a 3ds Max. So what the difference between, like I mentioned previous in Plant 3D, if I try to import my plant, my AutoCAD drawing that directly save, what will happen? Okay, I go to my specific folder that I save my drawing. Okay, so this will be the basic one, and this will be the 3ds Max which I use export to AutoCAD. So when I use this manual method, open, import, so what will happen, you see that your pipe will see some missing file over here. Okay, should be this area you will have T and also you will have elbow. Okay, to make sure that you import everything done, so you need to use export to AutoCAD like previous. So click on this import and click on that things that you already exported. Okay, 3ds Max. Okay, what will happen? Also same, but your elbow and also your T, your palm will stick there. Here. Still here. 3ds Max. Okay, now I want to create a motion of camera on my 3ds Max. So how to make my motion of camera? So the first one, I need to click on this view, which much more easy if I can create my drawing in one view only. Here. Okay, to put the camera, you need to click on this left side button. There will have one icon for cameras, physical cameras, and click and drag. Okay, the first one, which is, we call it as the physical camera, and this will be the target for your camera. Okay, to start with animation or to start with a video recording, so how to start, you need to make sure that your project timeline over here at this bottom appear, and if you want to change into a certain value, you can click on this symbol icon, change the value from 1 to 500, for example. Then the value will change 0 to 500. So the method is quite simple. Click on this auto key. First, click on this set key to make sure that you will have this icon, the key here. Drag your timeline and your slider and move what the things that you want to move. To move item, click on this item and click on this move. So for example, I want to move here 1 and click again, move again 2. So now I want to make sure that my camera also can move. So what I can do, if I plan to move together, I need to click 1 and 2, control both. Okay, and then click move. Again. Okay. So now again, I want to move only the target. So click only the target and move to here. So what will happen now? Same like AutoCAD camera. So you need to click on this top. Okay, change the camera to physical camera 1. Okay, maybe you can adjust a little bit. So change from wireframe to a view that you want, or after you set the material also much more better using 3ds Max. So using this slider, you can drag here. So I make it a little bit higher. Right. Right. So this will be the method. Okay, to play the video, you can change the speed of your video from 1 maximum to 4 times faster and 4 times slower. Okay, just click on play if you already satisfied with your setting. Okay, from this type of video, you can generate your AVI or MP3 file. So just need to render using 3ds Max. So this will be the method that you can use from Plan 3D, export to CAD, import using 3ds Max. So even though you don't use AutoCAD Plan 3D, you use Inventor or you use Revit, also the method is same. So just use 3ds Max and then import your drawing or import your modeling here to create the video. 1 and 2. Okay, if you already create the video but you want to edit the direction of your camera, or you want to change the camera location here, so what you can do, you can click on your camera here. So you will see this will be the location for first point, and this will be the second key, third key. For example, over here I want to change the key to here, so then it will help you to adjust. Okay, to change the height, you can work with front view. Okay, from here I want to change the height my camera to a little bit higher. Okay, and then click on this camera again and view your video. Okay, you can try to set the key properly to make sure that your video run very smooth. So this will be the method that you can use how to create animation using 3ds Max. And for the last part today, this one is quite special because we will cover on how we use 3ds Max Interactive. Okay, the first step I want to show on how to use this 3ds Max Interactive. If you don't install yet, what you can do, you just go to your 3ds Max. They will have one button, Interactive, get 3ds Max Interactive. Okay, later you will see how to download and install 3ds Max Interactive. Okay, you need to go to manage.autodesk.com and download 3ds Max Interactive. Okay, so you need to have a latest version of 3ds Max Interactive work with latest version of 3ds Max. Okay, to get the icon activate here. Okay, using 3ds Max Interactive. Okay, what you need to do, you just need to import your asset. Okay, your asset will be in FBX for those that work with Revit, IES for those that create a lighting. Okay, if you work with other file also, you can use, for example, JPEG and TIFF file. So also can be done here. Zip file also can be done here. So after I done with setting certain things at log console here, okay, so this will be the area that we need to set the information. What we can do, you can click on this test level. Okay, when I click on this test level, one pop-up will appear, which, for example, you connect your PC to your VR equipment, then you can directly use the VR equipment. Here. So for this case, we set into a few settings. The first setting, we can use orbit. Okay. So using orbit, you can directly rotate all your item direct without clicking, just normal drag for first time. Okay, using tap and go, okay, what you can do, you can move around here. Okay, you see what will happen when I try to open the door. Okay, I just move, go to the door, and door will automatically open. Okay, I try to touch this column, so means I cannot go through into this column because we already set the physical object into this item. Okay, this will be the sample of stair. So I just need to, yeah. Right, so this will be the idea on how we create using, so for 3ds Max Interactive, for next time, I will try to arrange one more session on starting from zero, how we start creating our VR. Okay, so this will be another level of topics that after this you all will cover also. Okay, but for those that have your plan design and you still want give your boss to walk through on your drawing, so what I can suggest for everyone, okay, you can go to this link and I will share to this chat box. Okay, just click on the link. Okay, this link will bring you to a360.autodesk.com, which go to here. So this will be another method of creating walkthrough video. Okay, you can use this button, first person view also. Okay, got it. Okay, just here, need to zoom in a little bit. Focus on here. Okay, I click on this first person view. Then now I can move. Same like that VR previously. So this will be another option that you can use. So using this method is easy for you to communicate with others team or others consultant, which if you have any issue in terms of your scope, then you can see directly into 3D modeling. But if you have the scope that not relate to you, you can do the markup video, markup area here, and invite everyone do the chat. Okay, click save. Hi CNS, please update. Hi CNS team, please update. Okay, everyone that inside this project will receive notification, or you can mention the person directly. So this will be the alternative way that you can do your animation or your walkthrough. All right, so I believe this will be very good sharing session for today. And I want to ask, if you have any question, you can ask me now. So while waiting for question, you can type in. I just open on our, okay. If you have any question that you want to type in, just type in into this chat box. So later I will directly answer your question. Okay, some person that want to ask, normally they ask, is that complicated to set material using 3ds Max? The answer is depends on how detailed you want the material to be set. Okay, and also 3ds Max can read material from AutoCAD and also Inventor, Revit, all the software. 3ds Max can directly read the material. That will be the normal question. All right, so that's it for me for today. and I will like to share because my focus is more on product design manufacturing collection. So this will be my opportunity to present about product design manufacturing collection. For those that know about PDMC, okay, you will get 3ds Max, including 3ds Max Interactive, AutoCAD, including Plant 3D, Inventor, and the last part is Navisworks. So all that I mentioned, you can, all that I present for today, I demonstrate for today, you can use here. Okay, product design manufacturing collection. For AEC user, also you can you just need to download the AutoCAD Plant 3D, you just need to download the 3ds Max and Navisworks, all the things. Okay, so that's it for my side for today. Thanks for everyone that joining us. Thanks Jared, thanks Max again, thanks. I believe PC 2020 is from Rojas team. Okay, thanks Shida, thanks Shafika. If you want to know detail or want to request certain topics that you want to learn, you can go to our website, click on here. Okay, click on any topics that have here. Okay, for example, we have plant design animation for today, inventor sheet metal for those that require sheet metal design and flatten object for tomorrow, FEA analysis, AutoCAD 2D to 3D, create custom beam, and also interior component. This will be the hot topic for end of this month. So don't forget to click and register. Okay, if you want to register on this interior component, you just click on this RSVP going. Okay, to request your favorite topic or your topics that you want to learn more, you can click on this request here. So when you click on request here, you just need to key in your information, then you can put a remark. So name, company name, email, phone. For example, I want to know about inventor professional. Okay, I want to know about tube and pipe. Okay, then just submit. So we will arrange for next month. Our inventor session will have one topic for tube and pipe. Okay, don't forget to follow us on our Facebook, follow and like our Facebook page, and also subscribe our YouTube channel, and just click on this any topics that you want to learn, just click again and view again. All right, so I believe that's it for today, and cannot launch full, sorry. Okay, thanks everyone for joining, and I will end my presentation because I don't get any question yet. Okay, thanks everyone for joining our free online lesson for today, which topics plant design and animation. Okay, I stop sharing, stop recording. All right, bye bye everyone.